So today we're putting to the test the Metabo HPT 3.5-inch nailer with a 21-inch degree. This gun, pretty versatile, all aluminum. It's very easy to use. Never used one that much before, so this was my first one. Easy to load up. Just get your nails in the right direction there. Slide in from the back. You're gonna push your slide up over and let it go. In this, we also have an adjustment right in here for how deep the nail is going to go. So you can adjust that. I got it about in the middle to see what happened. So we're going to plug up to our air right here. Running this off the Cobalt 6-gallon pancake compressor. And we're just going to give her a go. Perfect. Just below flush. Works right every time. Now on this as well, it has for your, I guess you call it the bump, the automatic nailing, where you can just hold the trigger. So you flip that switch there, hold the trigger, every time. And I haven't had it jam yet. Went through probably 250, 300 nails at this point, doing a little light framing in our basement. But highly recommend this unit. Not too bad of a price and worked every time for me.